If you want to resize a video in CapCut, whether you're making a YouTube short, TikTok, Instagram reel, or just fitting footage into a different layout, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest ways to do it. By the end, you'll know how to change the canvas, crop a clip, and manually scale or stretch a video inside CapCut. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and look at the main editing workspace. The fastest way to resize an entire video project is by changing the canvas, also called the aspect ratio. This is the best option when you want to turn a horizontal video into a vertical format, or when you need your edit to match a specific platform. To do that, look below the video preview window on the right side of the screen and click the ratio button. Once you click it, CapCut will show you a list of preset dimensions. From here, choose the ratio that matches your goal. For example, 9:16 is perfect for TikTok and Instagram reels, 16:9 is ideal for YouTube, and 1:1 works well for square social media posts. After you choose your ratio, your project canvas will immediately update. Now click on the video clip in your timeline so it becomes selected. When the clip is selected, go to the top right Properties panel and open Video, then Basic. Here you'll find the scale slider. Use that slider to zoom in on the video until it fills the new canvas properly. This is especially useful if the original video was shot in a different format and now needs to fit a taller or wider frame. If you notice black bars on the sides after resizing, don't worry, there's a simple fix. In the same right-hand panel, scroll down until you find the canvas settings. Check the canvas box, then choose Blur. This will create a soft blurred background behind your video and make the empty space look much cleaner and more professional. It's a great trick if you want your resized video to look polished without awkward black borders. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is cropping the video frame. This is the method to use if you want to resize a single clip without changing the entire project layout. It's also helpful when you want to cut out unwanted edges or focus attention on a specific part of the footage. To crop a clip, select the video in your timeline first, then click the crop icon on the toolbar directly above the timeline. A new window will open with cropping controls. At the bottom, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can lock in a preset aspect ratio or switch to free if you want complete control over the crop shape. Once you've chosen your crop mode, drag the borders of the bounding box until the subject is framed the way you want. Try to center the most important part of the video so it stays visible and clean. When everything looks right, click Confirm to apply the crop. This is a simple but powerful way to resize only the part of the video you want viewers to see. The third method is scaling and stretching clips manually. This gives you even more control, and it's useful when you want to make a clip smaller, larger, or even intentionally distort it inside the frame. To do this, click on your video clip in the timeline. For uniform scaling, go to the top right panel under Video and then Basic. Adjust the scale slider, or simply click and drag one of the outer corner points directly on the preview window. This keeps the original proportions intact while making the clip larger or smaller. If you want to stretch the video without keeping the original proportions, you can use non-uniform scaling. In the Basic panel, uncheck the Uniform Scale box. Once that is turned off, you'll be able to pull the side handles in the preview window and stretch or squish the video by width or height independently. This can be useful for creative edits, although you should be careful not to distort your subject too much, unless that effect is intentional. So to quickly recap, if you want to resize your whole CapCut project, change the canvas ratio. If you only want to resize one clip, use crop. And if you want direct control over the video size inside the frame, use the scale or stretch tools. Each method has its own purpose, and now you know exactly when to use each one. If this CapCut tutorial helped you resize your video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy editing tips, and check out the next tutorial on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.